Hey guys, we're back. And guess what we're going to do today? We are going to learn how to polish gel nails like a pro. So stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get into this gel manicure. So my nails are already prepped, they're filed, they're cut, cuticles are trimmed up, so we're ready to get right into this gel polish. First thing we want to do with a gel manicure is we want to lightly, with a 180 grit file or 240, we want to dust up the nail. This is key because the gel manicure, the gel nail polish will not stick. So we want to lightly dust up the nail, just very lightly. This is the first step that's different from a regular manicure. So as you can see, I'm just lightly dusting up the nail, very lightly. So this is kind of our adhesion layer for our base coat before we go into the color. We're going to do that for each nail. Very lightly, we're not gouging any lines or going too deep with anything. Perfect. You want to take away the shine. The nails are all dusted up. Now we're going to go in with our lint-free white and our 99% alcohol, and we're just going to give it a wipe over. Make sure you get up in the cuticle area. As you can see, when you wipe with that 99% alcohol, the dust is still there, but any residue would be gone. So when you get to this step, you don't want to touch the nail. You don't want to touch the hands because any grease will help the nail polish, the gel polish to lift. So now you want to grab your base coat. I'm using the gel model today. And we're going to start at the base to the free edge. Base to the free edge. You want to make sure you're covering every section of that nail. Every section of that nail. Every section, because this is where we're going to go right over with our color polish. All the nails, and if you have an LED lamp, you're going to cure for 60 seconds. If you have a UV lamp, you are going to cure for 2 minutes. Making sure we're catching all the corners. And 60 seconds. And our base coat is applied. So now we're going to go in with our color. So what we're going to do is thin polish with the gel. Very thin. If you feel the polish is thick, just take your time and wipe it. Start at the middle and to the sides. What I do is, even though we're drying for 60 seconds, I don't polish all the nails and then go in. We're gonna do a flash cure just to make sure that's on. For a quick 10 seconds, 5 seconds, between each finger, we're gonna flash cure. That's just to make sure that the polish it freezes where it's at. So it's not gonna go anywhere, it's not gonna run. The thing with gel polish is, it doesn't cure until it hits that light. not like regular nail polish. Flash. Just even 5 seconds, see? Just so it's not gonna run. See, I have too much nail polish on that brush. So you wanna stay with thin polish. That way we don't have any peeling. Now you see here how I got a little bit on the side? You wanna wipe that before you cure that nail in the light. Because if you cure that polish on your skin in the light, it's gonna get on your nail. It's gonna get on the nail. In the light, and it's gonna just be harder to get off after. So anytime I have my light set on manual, but when I have my clients, I'm so used to having it. I have it set on auto, but when I have my clients, I have it set on manual. So that's why you see me fidgeting with the buttons here. See a little bit there. Let's get that off before we go in the light. Flash cure, we're gonna put the nail polish in the light now, all 5 fingers for the 60 seconds for the LED, 2 minutes for the UV, and get ready for the second coat. And time for our second coat. We're gonna start at the base of the nail. That way, you're getting the polish on. Now you want to try to go as close to the cuticle as possible without touching. You see how I'm getting right, like so close to the cuticle without touching? That's what you want to do. So close. Remember, we're going to wait any away, because we don't want that to cause a problem after. Flash cure. And get as close to the cuticle as possible. Without touching. Practice makes perfect. Harder to polish short nails. My nails are just coming back through this quarantine. So I'm keeping them pretty short right now because I'm doing so much around the house. Some tips. Right now we want to show you guys how to polish gel polish. Really thin coats, guys. See? Clean that up. Perfect. See how perfect that is? You don't want to wait till after you cure, because then you're going to have to use your nail file and file your cuticle, and I mean, it would eventually come off, but you want to get it before it cures. Now, depending on the polish you're using or the brand, sometimes you may need, I call it a half a coat, not 3 coats, just to really get that pigment showing for the polish. Just to really get that pigment showing. We're going to take a look at these and see if we need a 1/3 or a half a coat. Let's see. pretty good. These are pretty good, pretty even. But let me show you what that third coat looks like. Let me go back in the lamp and cure them for 60 seconds. Okay, we're back. So we have 2 coats right here, which would be pretty good. But to my eye, I can see very little streakiness, and I would put like another little half a coat on. If the cameraman can zoom in, if you see, like in here, it's totally solid, but I can see a little see-through on these 2 nails, the thumb and the pinky. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a little half a coat. Now when I say half a coat, I just mean a very light coat. You see that? Look at that. That's exactly what this needed. Yeah. Very light. Very light. Super thin. See that? Fresh cure. We want it to look super Sometimes you can do more than 1 nail in flash cure. It all depends on the angle of the client's hand, the angle of your hand. So I can sometimes get through all 5 without the nail polish running. It's all in how you hold the hand. If you have a client that moves a lot, or if you move a lot, you can just take precaution and cure between each finger. So like right now, I know this is not moving anywhere. I'm gonna go straight into the pinky. And if you follow these steps, you'll have a gel manicure that lasts a long time. Just gotta make sure you have a good working lamp. You know, it's not an old lamp. We have to make sure our lamps are updated. If you have a good working lamp, fresh polish, because gel polish, it does get old. It does get old, not immediately, but there's a lot of things that lead to gel polish peeling. And if you follow the basic steps, as far as dusting up the nail, thin coats, letting it fully cure, you should be fine. So we're gonna get ready to go into our top coat here after we finish with our 20 seconds. Time for top coat. So you want to glide the top coat from the base to the free edge, just like that. You want to make sure you're capping the free edge by bringing that polish around that free edge. You see, that's going to seal it. So you won't have any peeling around the free edge. Flash cure. Oh, I like today. Let's just put this on here. I can confidently polish the rest of these 4 nails without flash curing and without any gel polish running. Cap the free edge. You don't want to make sure your top coat, you want to make sure your top coat is not thick. Not thick. There you go. Capping. Capping. I love this color. list this brand in the description box. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. See? And we're going to cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds. There you have it. We are all dry. Now we're going to add some cuticle oil. All done, guys. At this point, you can add your lotion. Add a little lotion. You have a professional gel vacuum. Now at this point, I wanted to also mention I'm using non-wipe top coat. Some people have wipe top coat where it has a sticky layer that you need to wipe it with the alcohol. So you would get your nail polish wipe and you would wipe off that sticky residue layer before you put your cuticle oil. I was using non-wipe top coat. And we're done.